The final, for the title, everything is done. But for the second place, everything needs to be done. And first point this year, the sun. Big difference with last year. For Jökkönen and Ada Blanco, the tension is there. Only 1 point between the two drivers. For sure, the race really interesting. Nothing is decided for the final podium, and everybody wants the same. All the best in the race.
So when I see that Jökkönen and Norby, they both jumped the chicane, I knew that they will have any penalty. So I just keep trying to be behind, doesn't make any mistake, and see what happens. Then when I see the drive-through, knew that the race was mine.
I started from the second place and drive really careful and don't want to make a mistake. Behind me was a really fast driver, Jochen Hahn and Norbert Kiss. It was a really hard race for me, and I was so happy we could win this race. And then Morgen is really great. This is one of the famous tracks in the world.
This race I make a very good start. I was in front of Norbert, I knew that he will be very tough, you know, I have to push all the laps until the end, just a little bit the last lap. I try not to do any mistake. I'm very happy for the whole team. I mean, we need this kind of results.
A very good start. Could get the best position already in the first corner, in the first chicane. And then I find a really good rhythm, and lap by lap was bigger gap to Janiak. 2 wins on the weekend, and yeah, really perfect.